Welcome to our software demo. This is just a preview of how we can do a demo for SaaS platforms. We will be showing how to use the mobile app Canva, which is one of the most versatile photo and video online editor. So let's start the demo now without further ado. First, click on the Canva app in your mobile. For this current demo, Canva is pushing notifications for new features such as Magic Studio. Let's start by looking at the various types of templates and types of media. Canva is very established, and they have so many templates making content creators' life more productive and easy. You should easily find very good templates for you to working on your photo or video. There are 250,000 plus on Canva Free and 610,000 plus on Canva Pro as per October 2023. Once you have chosen your template, you can then start editing it. Let's look how to edit the label of a button. By clicking on the button, you can then change easily the text. It's so easy and intuitive, and you can type the required label name as shown. For this preview, let's look at one more feature. Let's click on the overall page. By clicking on the page, the different animation pages will appear such as breathe, fade, pan, tumble. By clicking on the animations, for example, tumble, the page will show the required animation. It is so easy, and you can animate differently for each page.